Yes.
Oh my god.
I can't get on top.
I can't.
Get on.
Ow! He's gonna fall. I can't do it. I'm gonna be.
I won't look at you.
Oh my god, you
She was like, oh my god. Alright, come here. Hold on. Hold on. Here. Okay.
It's he's too far over. I can't jump. Oh my god, I'm scared.
Come on.
Wait, I want to be in the middle.
I'm not going to get on top of you.
Why not?
We'll crawl around like this.
Ow!
Go, Jordan.
No!
No, let go.
What are you gonna do? Oh my god!
What
Oh,
are
no!
you
No!
going
No, put me down, put me down! Oh! Oh!
Got your shorts.
We can take one for the team. Let me put them on.
to go
No,
for
I only have two left.
There's three.
There's three, you liar.
Oh, excuse me. Guys, please, that we have to get changed.
I can't believe it. Ow! Oh, I hit Chase ugly. Go balls.
Give me the spoon. If you smack me, I'll smack the shit out of you. Don't.
Pick her up.
She fell by herself.
Pick her up.
Ow, nobody's ever hit me that hard.
I barely hit you.
Apparently.
Get arms.
How are we going to do this?
Ow, you're hurting me telling me that.
On 1, 2, 3, go.
No, I'm gonna hit the bed. I'm gonna hit the bed.
It's fucking hot.
I think I changed
You want to get naked.
Okay.
Okay.
Why don't we just
Bring
end
my
it
underwear.
there? Don't put your legs around me.
Oh
Are you
god.
going to hurt me?
I'll catch you.
Are you going to help me?
No.
I'll do it. What are you doing?
Why don't you jump at me? I'm gonna-
But like run and dribble on you?
Yeah, and I'll catch you. Make sure your legs are like here.
Like wrap my legs around you?
Mhm.
Oh god, this is gonna be cool.
Hi.
Oh baby.
Damn, sorry. My teeth!
Ow.
Wheel there!